everyone, welcome back. It's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Welcome to 2021. Happy New Year. This is the first plan with me in this planner. If you want to see how I set up the planner, I will link that video down below and in card wherever it is. I can never remember. Anyways, let's get to the weeklies. And our very first one. This is going to be a little different. I'm kind of scared. I'm not going to lie. I'm petrified, but we can do it, right? Anyways, I'm now rambling, so let's get into the plan with me that I am petrified for. Because I've not done like a full big planner in over a year, so it kind of scares me. But I thought it would be fitting to use a Sweet Kawaii Design kit in this planner as the first kit. So I'm using the Lumberjack kit. It's the only wintry one I have right now, which is kind of funny, but yeah. So let's start with the bottom washi. Again, I'm kind of freaking out. I have not used this big of a planner in a really long time, and I'm not sure how all of this fits. You know, new planner, it's kind of scary. I'm going to assume it's like other planners and just fits across. Oh, it does. It fits perfectly across. She's very smart to make sure that her existing stickers worked. If you hear any noise, as always, that is most probably Miss Daisy Bill. Oops, that is way crooked. And the nice thing about her stickers, super repositionable. So, I'm doing it again. It's because the page is like moving, and it's hard to see with the white on white. There we go. Now let's put our date dots, date covers. Again, they should fit pretty well. Yep, they do. It's nice. I like that. I'm hoping you guys are in frame. New planner, new setup, new year. Anything can happen, right? So, what is your word for the new year? I decided mine is a grow, because I want to grow as a person. I just totally messed this up. This is supposed to be a sidebar. I haven't had a sidebar in forever, like a real one. Oh my gosh. You probably were screaming at me. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Again, something I haven't been able to do in a long time. I've had to use it open, or then I had the rings. So yeah, it's been about a year since I had a happy planner. So, oh, I know I used the happy planner earlier this year, didn't I? Or have I been, see, I can't even tell you. I'd have to go look at my videos. That's kind of sad. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I cannot wait to show you guys. Because I'm actually filming this early because I'm trying to get ahead with all my filming, and it's just easier to do it this way, so I'm less stressed. So I'm trying to get ahead. Really cute, really cute. So I don't know how to do the sidebar because I don't know. Was I supposed to like, I know I can do this however I want, but I kind of feel like I was supposed to, no, I think the washi was supposed to be here. I don't know. I'm just gonna be quiet. I think I'm gonna put a sticker up here because that'll be enough. Yeah, there's 8. So I'm gonna use the wild and free up here to kind of start us off. And then I'm gonna do a checklist. And then I'm gonna do a couple of habit trackers. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. We're gonna see how this looks. Hopefully it looks super cute. So yeah, I have an idea in my head. I hope it works. Put that one there. Let's grab a bright red checklist. I'm probably not in the frame. And then I'm going to do like that. And then it's to do. I'm gonna put a cute little to do right in the middle. Ah. Well, there we go. And now we're gonna do the habit trackers. I was gonna do meals down here. She usually has like the cute little meal stickers, but she doesn't have them here. I'm gonna have to go grab some. Okay, so I'm gonna do, we'll do this one. I don't know what I'm tracking. But we're gonna track something. We'll figure it out. And then I think I'm gonna use this cute wood sticker right there. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute. I can't get over it. It's so cute. So now I'm gonna put a header. Should I? Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of space just because I think that'll look nice. Sorry if there's like a lot of silence in this video. I am that stressed. Like, I don't want to mess up Tasia's planner. I'm afraid she's gonna be like, Melissa, you can no longer buy from me because you're planned in my planner and you ruined it. Not that she would ever do that. She's like literally the nicest person. I've never met her, so I can't say that I've ever met, but that I have ever like talked to. And that Friday sticker is way crooked. There we go. I have talked to her a few times on Instagram, and she is a very, very nice woman. And I hope one day to be able to meet her and tell her how much I love her and her stickers. Okay, so that is how we are looking. So freaking cute already. Now, how am I going to do my full boxes? Before that though, I want to put in my meal trackers, because usually I do it on the sidebar, but I think that's what these are for, so hold on. Okay, I'm back. I have some meal stickers from Rose and Tea, and I'm just gonna put them down like this. And I think they're super cute. They don't really match because the pink bow, but we'll just pretend like they match. It's close enough. And just ignore the sticker on the back of my hand. I will get to that in a little bit. But there we go. And then let's get into our full boxes. Okay, So we have 8 still. I love the buffalo plaid. I think I'm gonna save that one maybe for later, but I think I'm just gonna do them in this order, and do them in the middle. Kind of like what I used to do in my B6 and in my A5. They didn't have, or my B6. I didn't do this in my A5, but I would also do this in my, I guess it's also just kind of the traditional way, like you would pretend there's a header. I'm not going to put headers though. I don't want to divide it up. I'm just kind of putting this. Do I like that? Or do I want to stagger them? I don't know if I like that. Yes, I do. It'll look better once it's all filled in. I'm just not used to so much space. It's been so long. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Here's the fun, always the fun part. If you don't know, I can't see a straight line to save my life. So, which I find kind of comical. And 2 more. I just had a daisy touch me. She was like, "Mommy, stop filming and pay attention to me." Okay. So cute. I'm loving this. Like, you do not understand how much I'm loving this. Like, oh, it's so cute. I cannot wait to see my stickers in here. Okay, so I know I keep saying okay, I'm sorry. And that it's so cute. It's so fuzzy. Mondays I usually do a laundry, and it should be payday. So I'm just gonna put the little payday. She has just like a little payday sticker. I'm gonna put it right up here because yes. And then that's it. I usually do a lot on that day, but I think I'm gonna wait and hold off putting a checklist down. So we will see. Tuesday I don't have anything. Wednesday I don't have anything. So exciting, right? We're still in a pandemic, unfortunately. But I have Thursday the 7th will be new releases. So I have a butterfly sticker, and it's not quite the same green, but I feel like it fits. It's close enough. It's somewhere in between these two. So also my shirt matches. Oh, and I have a cute new watch that my dad got me for, along with the ring light for a Christmas. I'm so excited. Oh, know what I can use that I haven't used in forever? Is a weekend banner. I think I'm gonna put it down here. Let's see, what's the middle? I think it's the E. Now it just kind of overlap like that. So cute, so freaking cute. So that is how it looks. I am so excited for it. I love it, love it, love it. And if you love it too, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more Plan With Me's in this gorgeous planner. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.